With Yugadi and Puttanda coming up, I'm sure a lot of us would be visiting our friends and family to take their blessings and seek good wishes for the new year. New year marks new beginning, and I'm sure we want to take very exclusive gift hampers when we visit them. These are perfect to be gifted to your loved ones as part of the festivities. All these hamper combos have been very thoughtfully curated, keeping in mind both utility value and some divine collection as well. Now, let me take you through the products one by one. Let's get started. Presenting hamper combo number 1, starting with this very classy brass tray that comes with 6 inches in diameter. Comes with pitchwai print in the center, looks very festive, and a very sturdy and a solid product that will be put to use for a very long time. We've added very traditional shank and chakra in pure brass again. This one comes with antique polishing, a great addition to the puja mandir of your guest. We've also added 2 brass diyas which are solid and can be put to use on a regular basis. This combo as a set is something that will be treasured for many years and is priced at 1,460. The next one is a very classy set indeed. Comes with a solid digital printed tray with beautiful lotus prints with gold foiling work done all throughout. You can use this as part of daily essentials and is a great addition to your home. We've added very cute and adorable metal dry fruit boxes. All these come with copper finishing in the bottom with a gold top. These are perfect to store snacks or spices. We've also added 3 packs of our Vivana dry fruit packs that comes with cashew, almonds and raisins. All these weighs 50 grams each and definitely comes with very high quality. A pitchwai style hamper set that comes with a metal jar along with a tray in similar color combination. I'm sure this is going to be appreciated by anybody receiving it. Starting with a metal jar that comes with pitchwai prints all throughout, we've added 2 jars of this with a metal lid. We've also added 50 grams of Vivana dry fruit packs of cashew and almond. And to pair this up, we've included a very classy digital printed tray that comes with solid wood as base. All these comes in high quality and can be used for a very long time. This hamper set is priced at 1,300. Vetri, your favorite gifting brand, has 5,000 plus gift options for you to choose from. All our products are made in India and we customize and personalize gifts based on your preference and budget. You can go ahead and shop for our entire catalogue of gifts on our website www.vetri.com. We have 4 stores located at Chennai, Hyderabad and Bengaluru. So if you are in any of these cities, I welcome you to visit our store to take a look at the entire collection of gifts. We specialize in bulk gifting and undertake both domestic and international shipping. You can also reach out to our customer support team at 99622-15000 for any kind of assistance. Hamper number 4. This one comes with a very classy tray of ours. This is a sustainable product that is being trending a lot and is widely used as part of event essentials. We've included these classy tin jars with a customized wrapper that we have created. All these wrappers can be done based on your preference. We've added 3 sets of these tin jars along with 3 Vivana dry fruit packs of cashew, almond and raisins weighing 50 grams each. This together as a set is priced at 780. The last and final hamper number 5. This one comes with a very classy round tray that comes with peacock motif in the center. A very classy product, my personal favorite. This is something that I have at home and regularly use it. We've added a very classy and a neutral votive holder. This comes with metal as base with beautiful gold foiling work done in the bottom. We've also included a crackle glass on top of which you can add a tea light holder or a block candle and light it up. We've added 3 packs of Vivana dry fruit pack of cashew, almond and raisins weighing 50 grams each. This together as a set is priced at 1,260. These hamper curations are very special to us given they come with great utility value and something that will be appreciated by guests. Go ahead and shop online for these very classy hamper combos on our website www.vetri.com. You can also visit any of our stores located at Chennai, Hyderabad and Bengaluru to pick this up. If you like this video, please do share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video. Revel in the joy of gifting to yourself and to your loved ones.